Where it came, how it came, I don't know. To this day, I don't know. And all of you asked the question, how I came to the Krishna's feet. Well, no, one day, I decided to become a Hare Krishna. No, if you have that idea, then you're not yet a devotee. It's like, if you think one day I decided to become a Hare Krishna, that's because Krishna put that idea in your head to think that one day I decided. I mean, because the time warp, forgetfulness. Like Prabhupada used to say, you remember what you were doing yesterday at 3 o'clock? No, I don't remember what I was doing an hour ago. So you remember what you were doing 20 years ago, or what you were thinking, or how you started Krishna Bhakti? It's just apne up, it just happens. By the stroke of mercy of Bhagavan. That's the point. I. How many lifetimes do we follow the I? How many lifetimes will we follow the I? Means the external eyes, right and left, and I means hankar and false abhiman. Mithya, it's called mithya abhiman. Mithya, false mentality. Aham mameti, janasya mohoyam aham mameti. Fifth canto of Bhagavatam. Janasya mohoyam aham mameti. All the jana, all the people are in a mo, illusion. I did it, I'm the doer. I decided one day to become a Hare Krishna. So I walked out of my internship at the college and said, I woke up this morning and decided to become Hare Krishna, so goodbye to my medical career. We're all here by some unknown forces, which means the mercy of Krishna.